56-year-old man died of kidney failure in the wee hours at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. The hospital said the patient tested positive for COVID-19 on July 26. The deceased was identified as Sapam Basanta Singh of Khongjom Sapam in Thoubal district. On May 22nd last, the man, a chronic kidney disease patient, was admitted to RIMS for medical treatment. Later on July 26 last, he was tested positive for COVID-19 at the hospital. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren today chaired a meeting of Joint Committee on COVID-19. The Chief Minister during the meeting said that members of civil society organizations, MLAs who are conveners and co-conveners of the committee were doing a commendable job in sensitizing people across the state, including remote areas, on ways and means of containing COVID-19, official sources said. The total number of COVID-19 confirmed cases has reached 2,317 with 31 persons tested positive during the last 24 hours in Manipur. An official report said that the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLS of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, district hospitals in Thoubal, Churachandpur, Tamenglong and mobile testing team Imphal West. The newly infected cases belong to Imphal West, Churachandpur, Thoubal and Tamenglong districts. 10 Myanmar nationals were repatriated today after conducting thorough medical procedures. The Myanmar nationals had been staying in a quarantine center at Moreh due to the total lockdown in Manipur. The documents were thoroughly checked at the Integrated Checkpost ICP. Later, they were handed over to Myanmar authorities at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Iron Bridge. India is witnessing record daily surge in cases, and the number of cases recorded so far has already crossed 15 lakh as per a media reports. Several southern states are now witnessing the sharpest surge in cases, but there has been a drop in cases in Mumbai, which was the initial epicenter of coronavirus in India. Delhi too has made a remarkable recovery this month. Even as cases decline in India's urban areas, experts have asked people to maintain utmost precaution till a vaccine is ready for use. Pune, located 150 kilometers southeast of Mumbai, reported 3,196 cases on July 26, the highest number of any city in India on the day. The city recorded more than 3,000 cases continuously for 5 days between July 22nd to July 26. Pune saw a sudden increase in the number of daily cases from the end of June, as per reports. The city's cases have risen more than 3 times in July itself, and its growth multiple is second only to Bengaluru during this time frame. The positivity rate has gone up from 16.04% on July 1st to 22.10% on July 27th. As the first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets are set to arrive in India around 2 p.m, the Ambala administration is gearing up for its landing as it seals roads leading to the Air Force station in Haryana till 5 p.m. As part of security tightening measures and prohibitory orders, the Ambala district administration has also barred people from flying private drones within 3-kilometer radius of the airbase. According to media reports, Section 144 has been imposed in 4 villages close to the airbase.